Hello student, today we are going to study the ocean current of South Atlantic Ocean. First of all, there is a South Equatorial Current which moves from west to east and it is a warm ocean current. Then it moves down and from north to south it is called East Australian Current along Australia. Then gyre is completed by west wind drift or Antarctic circumpolar current which move from west to east. It is a cold current. Then along the South America, the ocean current is called Humboldt or Peruvian current. It is a cold current which move from north to south, but in abnormal year it becomes El Nino and it gets warm. Now we will cover the South Equatorial Current. South Equatorial Current is a warm current which originates due to influence of southeast trade wind and flows from east to west. It bifurcates into northern and southern branches near New Guinea. The northern branch turns eastward and joins the counter-equatorial current, while the southern branch flows along the northeastern coast of Australia. Then, very important current is East Australian Current. The East Australian Current is a warm current, which is the southern branch of South Equatorial Current, which moves from north to south along the east coast of Australia. New Zealand is surrounded by this current. It raises the temperature along the East Australian coast and New Zealand coast for a considerable distance in the southward direction. Then there is a west wind drift. The west wind drift is a strong cold current which flows from west to east between Tasmania to South American coast. It flows under the influence of westerlies and is largely confined between 40 degrees south to 50 degrees south latitude. This current becomes very strong due to large volume of water and high velocity of wind. One of its branch enters the Atlantic Ocean through Cape Horn and other branch turns northward and joins Peru Current. Is Humboldt Current, which flows along the western coast of South America. It flows from north to south along the coast of Peru and is caused by northward direction of west wind drift. It affects the coastal climate of Chile and Peru. But in abnormal area, this is the only current in the world which changes its temperature and it becomes warm. Thank you very much.